Hey DIY lovers, welcome back to your channel name, your ultimate destination for home organization, DIY projects, and creative hacks. Today we're diving into a mind-blowing DIY wall art hack that will transform your space without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking for a statement piece, a touch of elegance, or a fun way to express your creativity, this project is for you. Before we start, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an awesome DIY project. Now let's get to it. What makes this DIY wall art special? Budget-friendly. No need for expensive artwork or professional painting. Customizable. Choose colors, patterns, and styles that match your decor. No artistic skills required. It's super easy and fun. Project overview: what you'll need. Before we begin, gather these materials: canvas, wooden board, or a sturdy foam board, painter's tape or masking tape, acrylic or spray paint, your choice of colors, paintbrushes or sponges, a ruler and pencil for precise designs, Mod Podge or clear sealant, optional, gold or metallic leaf, optional for an elegant touch, double-sided mounting tape or picture hanging hardware. Step 1. Prepping your canvas or board. A smooth, clean surface ensures the best results and helps the paint stick properly. Choose your base. If using a canvas, make sure it's stretched and secured on a frame. If using wood, sand it lightly for a smoother finish. A foam board works great for lightweight wall art. Clean the surface. Wipe away dust and debris with a dry cloth. If using wood, apply a thin layer of primer for better paint adhesion. Now your canvas is prepped and ready for the magic to happen. Step 2. Creating the stunning design with tape. Painter's tape allows you to create clean lines, geometric shapes, and stylish patterns effortlessly. Plan your design. Use a pencil and ruler to lightly sketch your design. Popular patterns include geometric shapes, abstract lines, or a modern grid. Apply painter's tape. Stick the tape firmly to outline your design. Make sure the edges are pressed down well to prevent paint bleeding. For an ombre effect, apply tape in gradual layers and blend colors while painting. Your canvas is now set up for an amazing transformation. Step 3. Painting and adding color. Color brings your design to life. You can go bold, soft, or metallic for a high-end look. Choose your colors. Monochrome, black and white for a minimalist look. Bright colors, fun and energetic. Metallics, gold, silver, or rose gold for a luxury feel. Start painting. Use a brush or sponge to apply paint evenly. If using spray paint, hold it 6 to 8 inches away and spray in light coats. Allow the first layer to dry before adding a second coat. Pro tip: for a textured effect, dab the paint with a sponge instead of brushing. Step 4. Adding extra details for a wow factor. Small details make your artwork look expensive and professionally made. Gold or metallic leaf. Apply Mod Podge to select areas and gently press gold leaf for an elegant effect. Splatter paint effect. Dip a paintbrush in contrasting colors and flick it onto the canvas for a fun, modern touch. Peel off the tape. Once the paint is completely dry, carefully remove the tape to reveal crisp, clean lines. Now your artwork is almost ready to shine. Step 5. Sealing and mounting your artwork. A sealant protects your design from scratches, dust, and fading over time. Apply a clear sealant. Use Mod Podge or spray on clear acrylic to lock in the colors. Let it dry for at least 24 hours. Mounting the artwork. Use double-sided tape for lightweight pieces. For heavier art, attach picture hanging hardware on the back. Now step back and admire your stunning DIY masterpiece. And there you have it, a jaw-dropping DIY wall art hack that you can customize to match your style. Which design are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you make your own version, tag me on social media. I'd love to see your creativity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome DIY projects. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Happy crafting!